Hello, welcome guys to Coding Port YouTube channel. This is your friend Pankaj, your software technology expert. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can install Eclipse IDE on your Windows 10 machine. I'm going to cover step-by-step procedure, how you can download Eclipse installer first and what are the steps involved in installing on your system. So are you interested? Just type in comment box that I'm ready to install Eclipse and let's get started. Alright guys, in this video we will see how you can install Eclipse IDE on your Windows 10 machine. But before proceeding ahead guys, you have to make sure that you should have Java installed on your Windows 10. If you have not installed Java on your Windows 10, I would recommend go and install Java first. I've mentioned the link of YouTube video for Java installation in the description of this video. You can go and watch that video. Once your Java will be installed, you can start proceeding towards Eclipse installation. Alright, I assume that you have watched that Java installation video whose link is mentioned in the description of this video, and Java is working on your Windows machine. Now we will start Eclipse IDE installation. So the very first step that you need to do, you have to open up your favorite browser and go to Google. In Google you have to type download Eclipse. So the very first link that will come up is the download page for Eclipse, that is eclipse.org download. You have to click that link. On that link you will see there is a one download 64-bit button is there to download the installer file. You have to click that button, and this is the guys, there is one more message coming up over here, that is the month they are now showing, that is 2020-03. This message means this is a new release for 2020, and the last month is the March, that is 03. Now I'm going to click this tab, download 64-bit. It will take you to the download page where you can download the installer file. So there is a download button over here. You can click that download button. Alright, now you can see in the bottom that installer file download has been started, and let's wait for a couple of seconds to let it finish. Alright guys, installer file download has been completed. You have to click this file. It will pop up the installer dialog box. Now you can see installer dialog box has appeared. Alright, here you can see couple of options to configure Eclipse for different languages like C++, PHP, JavaScript. Since we are installing it for Java, so we will select the Java option. So here there are two options are coming up for Java. One is for Java developer and one is for enterprise Java developer. So if you are going to work for core Java guys, you have to click this Eclipse IDE for Java developer. But if you are going to make web apps in Java, then you have to click for enterprise Java developer. This enterprise Java developer will also contain the Java developer IDE as well. So I'm going to click this enterprise Java developer because I'm going to create some web apps in Java. So go and click this link guys. So here you can see it has by default selected the already installed Java that is present on my laptop, that is JDK 14, and it has taken the installer path automatically. And second is the installation folder, which is the default directory where this IDE is going to be installed. So I would recommend do not change anything unless until if you would like to use any other version of Java or any other installation folder. So my suggestion is leave these fields as it is, whatever coming up by default. Go and click install. Now you can click on this install button to start the installation process. Now you can see installation process has been started. Let's wait for a couple of seconds to let it finish. Alright guys, now you can see there is a certificate dialog box has popped up, and you have to check box this button and to accept all the certificates from eclipse.org foundation, and just click remember accepted certificates, select all, and go to accept selected button and click this button. Alright guys, now you can see installation has been completed successfully, and there is a launch tab coming up over here. Just click this button to launch the Eclipse. Now you can see this IDE is being launching. Alright, now it is asking for workspace. So by default, workspace is the directory where your all source code files will going to be present. So by default it is taking this file. So if you would like to change, you can select any other workspace. So I would like to update my workspace to different directory. So I'll select the folder where I would like to have my workspace. I'll make new folder over here. Code. I'll select this folder as my workspace, and I click this. I can use this as a default and do not ask again. Now click on launch button. Now you can see Eclipse is starting. There's a message coming up over here, starting Eclipse IDE. It will take couple of seconds guys, so let's wait for few seconds. Alright, this is the welcome screen of Eclipse, and congratulations, you have installed Eclipse successfully on your Windows 10 machine. And this is a welcome screen. You can go and browse through different links for this. So I'm gonna close this welcome screen guys. Now you can see there is a project explorer over here. So I'm gonna close this also. Now I'll create one new default project. So you have to go to file, click new, and go to project. Here you have to select Java project. Alright guys, now I'll give my project name as test project, and here you can see there is a JRE version coming up, that is Java SE 13. I would recommend go with default option, do not change anything, and just go to click next. So now you can see there is a source folder is coming up under test. Click finish. So this is asking to create a module name guys. So I would recommend do not create module as of now, and just click don't create. We will see in upcoming videos what is the use of module in Java. As of now, just go and click this button, do not create. Alright, so I can show the project window over here. Alright, now you can see we have test project created. Under test we have SRC. Now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna create a one default package first. Package are nothing but simply a folder or container where your Java source files would present. So guys, just go on SRC folder, do right click, go to new, and go to package. Here you can type your package name as welcome. So you have to give lowercase character guys. So click finish. Inside this package, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a one class. So what you have to do, you have to right click on this package, go to new, and go to class, and I'm gonna type hello world. This is my class guys, and just click this public static void main checkbox. It is the starting function for Java. So if you click this checkbox, so this function will automatically appear in your source file. Now go to click finish. Now you can see your public static void main function is coming up over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to print one welcome message over here. You have to do system.out.println. So this is the standard function guys to print any message onto the console. I'm just typing welcome to Java programming. And now to run this program, you can see there is a play button in the menu bar with green symbol, and there is a drop down arrow there. You have to click that drop down. You will find run as one of the option. You have to go to run as and click Java application. So now you can see in the console in the bottom that welcome to Java programming message has come up. That means your Eclipse IDE is working absolutely fine. Now you are ready to do Java programming and you can ready to design a lot of very good applications in Java. Congratulations guys, you have configured Eclipse successfully on your Windows 10 machine. In next video, I'll talk more about Java programming fundamentals and different concepts. Till then, goodbye. I wish you a very happy learning. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. And to get more updated videos, please go and subscribe this YouTube channel guys. I'll see you in next video. Goodbye.